Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find blocked accounts on LinkedIn. Just open your LinkedIn here. So for example, this is my LinkedIn and I have blocked this person. So first of all, I will block him. Right, I will just click on report and block and I will select block, and now this account has been blocked. Now where I will find the blocked accounts, right? Go back to your LinkedIn. On the top left side corner you will see a profile icon. Click on view profile. On the top right you will see your settings bar icon there. Now here you will have to find your visibility option, where if you are not able to find the visibility option here, no worries, go back again, tap on your profile icon, go to the bottom settings. So the both of the settings icon are different, right? Now here you have to go to the visibility option, scroll a little bit down. Here you will find this option of blocking, and here you can see that I have blocked 2%. As you can see here, that this is where I can just find my blocked accounts on LinkedIn. If I want to unblock, I will click on unblock, right? So to unblock you have to enter your LinkedIn password. So once I enter my LinkedIn password, I will be able to unblock this person. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.